case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The legal battle, Santiago vs. Baker, unfolded in the Florida District Court of Appeal in 2014, circling around the particularly contentious issue of arbitration agreements in medical malpractice cases. This case illuminated the court's stance on the enforcement of such agreements, even when they waived the patient's right to a jury trial. At the center of the dispute were Leydiana Santiago and Armando Ocasio, who embroiled Dr. Marisa Baker and Women's Care Florida, LLC, in a medical malpractice lawsuit. The couple attributed the severe birth defects endured by their child, Zoe, to a drug that Miss Santiago had ingested during her pregnancy. Upon becoming a patient at Lifetime Obstetrics and Gynecology, Miss Santiago expressed her plans for a second child. However, when the medical practitioners subsequently deemed her pregnancy non-viable, she continued using the medication, oblivious of the potential harm it could inflict upon the fetus. As part of her medical service agreement with Lifetime, Miss Santiago had signed an arbitration agreement. Both she and Mr. Ocasio later disputed the court's directive to enforce this arbitration agreement, decrying it as a violation of the state's medical malpractice laws. Despite the strong opposition from Miss Santiago and Mr. Ocasio, the court held to its decision, reinforcing the validity of the arbitration agreement. The court reasoned that the couple's failure to request statutory arbitration negated the alleged violation of state laws. The court's verdict upheld the arbitration agreement, diverging from the standard statutory directives, and called for an equal distribution of the relevant expenses. It firmly established that not all arbitration agreements are forbidden under the statute, dispelling the plaintiff's assertion to the contrary premised on Franks v. Bowers. The court further acknowledged that statutory regulations are not the sole legal recourse for malpractice victims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class